Hello, my name is Armand Khoshnevis, and I'm a third-year PhD student in Mechanical Engineering Department at Michigan State University. The research I'm going to present titled Vocal Fundamental Frequency and Generalized Anxiety Disorder: Insight from a Large Multi-Country Cohort in Africa. As you all know, anxiety disorder affects hundreds of millions of individuals globally. Also, anxiety disorder accounts for roughly 2.3% of global healthcare expenditure, representing a substantial socioeconomic burden. Current assessment methods are typically based on clinical interviews and self-reported questionnaires, both of which are limited by biases, subjectivity, time, and cost. Digital biomarkers, however, have emerged as an objective assessment tool, specifically including voice acoustic features. In this research, we want to study this biomarker across a large cohort in Africa. We collected socio-demographic data and speech samples from more than 1,700 subjects across 4 African countries, namely Botswana, Ghana, Nigeria, and Tanzania. Participants aged from 18 to 69 with balanced male-female distribution. Moreover, their self-reported health status is binary categorized into poor and good. Furthermore, participants also completed a famous and standard and commonly used questionnaire called G87, which has 7 questions. Each can be responded on a 4-point Likert scale. Total score can vary from 0 to 21 and further binary categorized into anxious and non-anxious groups. Here you can see the histogram of G87 total score. Also, the percentage of each group in each country can be seen on the top right corner. The overall percentage of each group is shown down below. To address the imbalance issue, we use a cutoff point of 5 for binary categorization of presence of anxiety, which maximizes the sensitivity of a scale. We followed a standard pre-processing pipeline, including voice activity detection, standardization, manual screening, and acoustic feature extraction with PAD Python interface. 2 speech samples were used, one a short sentence and another one a long paragraph. 2 statistical analysis methods were used. First, generalized estimating equation, which focused on the population average effects of covariates. Second, logistic regression coupled with L1 regularization and bootstrap, which describes the conditional or within cluster effects of covariates. In our first analysis, apart from health, sex, and nationality, we could not show a strong correlation between fundamental frequency and presence of anxiety. However, in our second analysis, F0 mean showed positive association with presence of anxiety. I look forward to share detail of my findings on the conference. Bye.